Ever wondered how to turn those hours spent scrolling through Facebook into a profitable venture? Well, this may be the moment to shift gears and transform that social media savvy into a money-making strategy. Here are some proven methods to help you do just that. First up, consider creating and monetizing a Facebook page. Find a niche or topic that piques your interest and has a substantial audience. Consistently post engaging content and interact with your audience to grow your page. Once you've built a sizable following, you can cash in through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by promoting products and services. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and share those links on your Facebook page or in groups. When someone from your audience clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's that simple. If you have your own products or services, Facebook is an excellent platform to promote and sell them. You can either set up a Facebook shop for easy transactions or link directly to your online store. Facebook groups also offer a great opportunity. You can create or join groups related to your niche or expertise. Engage with group members, share valuable content, and once trust is built, you can promote your products, services, or affiliate links. For business owners, Facebook ads can be a game changer. With compelling ad campaigns, you can reach a targeted audience, driving traffic to your website, generating leads, or promoting products. Freelancers too can benefit from Facebook. Use it to market your services, such as writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. Join relevant groups where people are looking for freelancers or post about your services on your page. Live streaming and video content are also effective ways to connect with your audience in real time. Use Facebook Live for Q&A sessions, tutorials, product launches, and more. Monetize through fan donations or partnerships. If you're a blogger or have a website, Facebook Instant Articles lets you publish your content directly on Facebook. You can monetize through advertising or by promoting products or services within your articles. Consider sharing your expertise by offering online courses or webinars. Use Facebook to promote and host these events, and monetize through registration fees or product sales. And lastly, if you have expertise in a particular field, consider offering consulting or coaching services. Use Facebook to showcase your skills, provide valuable content, and attract potential clients. Remember, though, to always adhere to Facebook's policies and guidelines when monetizing your activities on the platform. Building a successful income stream on Facebook requires time, effort, and consistent engagement with your audience. So be patient, be persistent, and watch your Facebook profits grow.